Hey guys, go back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, like the video, and comment down below what grade you're going into this year for school. So I have an unboxing. We filmed it 2 different times. I have one thing with me right now. The other thing won't come to next week. Okay, so what I have. Apple is having a deal for college students. And I'm a college student. It's my second year. Oh, yeah. It was buy a MacBook, you get a free pair of AirPods. So, I got the AirPods right here with me. It wasn't supposed to come to tomorrow. It was surprised that they came today. So, I have a pair of scissors. And let's get them open, shall we? And I bought this all with my own money. I decided it was time for me to buy a good laptop for school. I'm going to need this throughout school and throughout all my, rest of my life. And until it completely breaks and falls apart. So I already cut it open and stuff, but here it is. Sorry about my nails. I'm trying to take my acrylic nails off. Just got back from vacation. So let's cut it. And I'm filming on my phone. So I got that. And time for the best part. I'm so happy. I always wanted some. I didn't. Well, I wasn't gonna buy it from Apple, or I was gonna buy it from Best Buy because they also have a college deal, but you only get the MacBook. So I decided to get the AirPods and order it off of Apple because I wanted to watch. Okay, so here's how I decided. So I wanted to watch my show on Netflix and also charge my phone, but I can't do both. So I have to wait to charge my phone a little bit and then watch my show. And then whenever I can't, my phone's gonna die again, I gotta charge my phone and wait again to play my show when I'm in the middle of it. So I decided, what the heck? I'm just going to get these. And my mom wants them so bad, so I'm gonna get her the AirPods Pros for her birthday. That's the 24th of this month. So it says designed by Apple in California. And there's the instructions and the normal stuff you get in here. And then open this part up and you have the charger. Most people don't know that this comes with it, but it does. So let's do another ASMR. Okay, got that. So this cord isn't the same length as your iPhone charger. So now I have my Apple Watch, my iPhone, my AirPods, and my MacBook. Okay, I love the feeling of this. Once I can figure out how you flip and open it. Hi, Normie. So here they are. Just open them up. And I can figure out how to connect it. Normie, you're in the camera. Stormy, babe, I know you want this one done. I'm almost done, I promise. Okay. So I got that. And I'm going to hook them up. Try my phone for a little bit because it needs to be charged. So, get another box to collect. It goes underneath my bed. And I'll see you next week for my unboxing my MacBook. Bye. Hey guys, so I got my laptop today, right now, and it's opened. I didn't open it yet. Oh well. Okay, so let's get it out of the box. My eyes are green. Told you. So got it out of the box. Also got my case yesterday. So here it is. I got the space gray one. So I need, let's use my nails.
keep in mind when we
Sorry about the
talk
noise, watching the
you see
news.
inbound, you see outbound. The radar site is opposite Lincoln right now, so the green is inbound. That's west to northeast wind.
Hey!
Up here, but where you start to see the grayish or reddish pencils, that is the wind that's in the exact opposite direction. That's how Doppler radar tracks these storm systems.
Open it on the gun so I don't drop it, guys.
Feature for the time being.
So I got it open.
Continue to be on the ground until 6:15. The setup is such that
Yeah, it is. That to the side. So
and then
got the cord to USB-C, and then in here is all the instructions and the Apple stickers, and the plug.
just off to the west of Interstate 55, but with the movement out to the northeast at 32 miles per hour, this is going to be crossing Interstate 55 around Paris and pointing just southbound, getting just off to the northeast of Divernon. Very dangerous situation as we go through time. Cannot stress enough that if you're in the path of the storm system, so you folks in
Now it's time for this.
and farther off to the northeast, east of Chester, southeast of Springfield,
New
where your
laptop.
safe location is
So-
going to be. And once you know that, and for all of us, doesn't matter where you live, it's going to be in the lowest level with as many walls
It's turning on.
and the outside as possible. The only way that doesn't work
Let's
is if
boot
you're in a mobile home
it up.
and then you
Put my
hightail
case
it out
on.
and I am hoping that you know
And then I got some
where
stickers
your closest relative or friend is
from Florida.
in. That also
So I got like 3 stickers to put on my case.
actually
It's on. So I'm gonna set this up and then
that we're keeping tabs on.
put my case on and stickers on. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
Once you get over the sub-